Welcome to Swagbucks review. Can you make money using Swagbucks? Can you make money by doing some surveys? Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Let's talk about Swagbucks. As you can see that I am creating my own account for you. As you can see that, okay, when you're creating your own free account, you will earn some these SB, these are points or coins, I don't know. As you can see that when you complete your own first surveys, it's gonna take 5 minutes. You're gonna earn these 5 SBs. When you click here and play, you're gonna earn these 5 SBs. So these are the, when you confirm your email address, I'm not gonna confirm it, I don't want to confirm all of these things, you're gonna earn some of these SBs. These are the points, let me just put it that way. And earn these points, that this company is gonna give you. But although, guys, it is legit, I've seen some people that they made some withdrawals maybe after 1 year, it does pay, but they are paying so little, guys. But surveys, survey companies, they don't pay as that, they pay cents, dollars, $10, so you're not gonna earn income changing here. Although it's legit, you can also earn by referring a friend. You're gonna earn 10% of their earnings, so yeah, so you're gonna earn 10% of their earnings here. I'm just gonna click here to take you to dashboard. Okay, so when I click here to take me to dashboard, this is what I'm going to see in front of you guys. Okay, as you can see that you're gonna earn points by playing games here, by doing some surveys here on this app, Swagbucks. You can earn some of the points. You can earn up to 2,800 points. But it is not guaranteed, it is not guaranteed. Whenever you download these apps and then play them, it is not guaranteed you're gonna earn these kind of points. Just be aware of it. That's one of the red flags about this. You can play, you're gonna play, and also sometimes it's gonna give you less, sometimes it's gonna give you more of the points. So it is not sustainable, guys. It is not sustainable. So what you can do here, you can also click here to search and earn. I don't know what you're gonna search, something there, give you 1 SB, 1 points, just gonna cancel it. You're gonna get, so they say I must verify it. I'm not gonna verify my account, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna waste my time on this kind of website, guys, because I did try this kind of website in the past. I never get paid anything. I spend hours and hours each and every day to find out per month I was making $1, $2 in a month. So that is not worth it my time, guys. I'm just making this kind of review for you guys to have an idea, to have an expectation on how much you can make money here on this kind of website. As you can see, this one, these are the trending now apps or activities that you can do that you can earn these kind of points. Keep in mind, guys, this is you cannot earn this 21,143 points after you play this. Sometimes it's gonna give you these points, sometimes it's gonna say you failed. They want you to stay on their website and keep on doing this kind of tasks, because that's how they make their money, guys. Okay, just be aware of this. Just be aware of it. And also I'm gonna show you some of the things that I like about this, guys, is that when you're shopping, you're gonna get some cashback. That's what I like about the app, actually, to be honest. I love some cashbacks, especially when I want to shop something on Amazon. I like to use the app. I'm gonna show you how it works, guys. Okay, let's talk about some of these things. As you can see that these are the games that you can do. Alien Chase, you're gonna earn 11 cents, 11 points, SP points. Let's say some coins or points, guys. That's what it is. Creamy Dash, you're gonna earn 11 points as well. And also there's this one, the slots. You can also play slots here. They claim that you're gonna earn 800 points. So these are the shop earners, guys. Okay, shop and earn. So this is what I like about the app, actually, guys. Okay, if I buy on eBay, if I buy on Walmart, you're gonna get 2% cashback. The minimum that you have to spend $1. You're gonna get 2% cashback of your money. So it is worth it, guys. It is worth it. Whenever you are someone that wants to buy, especially if you are buying something online, just use this app, for cashback, not for making money. That is my own opinion, because I tried the app to make money, but I never made any money. But the app helped me to do some cashbacks, to get cashback on Amazon. I got cashback on hotels. If I want to book some hotels, I go to hotels.com, use the app. I'm gonna get 3% cashback of my money, You can go to Zoro.com, you're gonna get 5% cashback. You're gonna go to Cool, you're gonna get 20% cashback, So yeah, it does help, for in terms of cashback. If you like Nike, you're gonna get 6% cashbacks. There are so many apps here, guys, so many companies that you can get cashback from, on this kind of app, when you're using this app. So I would recommend it. On AliExpress, you will get 6% cashback. Although AliExpress, guys, the shipping, it takes too long. Just be aware, that's another secret. The shipping on AliExpress, it takes months, guys. 42 months. So 42 days, that's months, So yeah, that's my number. That is my own opinion. Okay, so you can also do surveys. Surveys, you're gonna spend too much of your time, and then they're gonna say that you failed the surveys. After you spend so long, guys, after you spend so much time, they will say that, okay, you failed the survey, keep trying again, guys, do it again. So they're not gonna give you these points on surveys. You're gonna waste your time, So, and also, if maybe you're not in the United States or big deal only, maybe in the tier 1 countries, you're not gonna get as many surveys as possible, guys. So that's one of the disadvantages about the app. Although it is legit, guys, it is very legit. I have to be transparent, I have to be honest with you, The app, it is legit, but waste your time on surveys. Just use the app, for cashback. If you're not someone who want to buy online, use the app for cashback. That's it. And also, you can also get this daily bonus, after you verified your account. They wanna pay you this verified bonus, guys. Okay. But if you want to get my number 1 recommendation to make money from home, guys, okay, without doing surveys, guys, okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my number 1 recommendation to make money from home without spending your time on doing surveys, guys, so that you can, that course helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job. That course helped me to have financial freedom, guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care. God bless you. Sharp, guys.